Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale social media presence with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your social media presence with Hootsuite, begin by creating an account on Hootsuite's website. Choose a plan that fits your needs, whether it's free or a paid option, depending on your goals. Once logged in, connect your social media accounts. This includes platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Navigate to the My Social Networks section to add your accounts. Hootsuite will prompt you to authorize each account for seamless integration. Next, explore the dashboard layout to familiarize yourself with the interface. The dashboard displays your feeds, allowing you to monitor activity across all connected accounts. Add streams for each social media profile to organize your content. You can track mentions, direct messages, scheduled posts, and interactions from a single screen. To create a posting schedule, go to the Publisher tab. Here, you can draft posts, schedule them for later, or publish immediately. Use the Content Calendar view for a broader perspective on your scheduled content. Plan your posts based on peak engagement times for your audience. Utilize the Bulk Composer feature for efficient scheduling of multiple posts at once. To enhance engagement, monitor your analytics in the Analytics section. Analyze performance metrics such as reach, engagement rates, and audience growth. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Identify which posts perform best and adjust your future content accordingly. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages directly through Hootsuite. Set up keyword monitoring to stay updated on relevant conversations and trends. This allows you to join discussions and raise your brand's visibility. Leverage Hootsuite's content curation tools for fresh ideas and trends. You can discover and share articles, images, and videos from trusted sources. Explore the app directory to integrate additional tools that enhance your social media strategy. Consider collaborations with influencers or brands using Hootsuite's social listening features. Run social media campaigns or contests using Hootsuite's tools to increase interaction. Keep your content varied by mixing promotional posts with engaging and informative content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.